Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Bilal Haider and welcome you to my YouTube channel. Guys, you may watch lots of videos on internet and YouTube. Well, in this modern period of time, every single person have smartphone and every one of you may also record videos on your phone. But in this video, we are going to watch 8 most unusual videos ever recorded on camera. So let's start countdown. Number 8 is strong wind. Guys, there are so many regions on earth where wind pressure is at its peak. Some of you may also have remained victims of high air pressure. Well, the video which you are watching was recorded in Colorado. Actually, in this video, wind pressure is very much high and it takes heavy objects in its custody. Even it tries to fly people with itself. By the way, only strong people can only manage this type of heavy windy storm. It's not the business of under average people like me to manage this type of heavy windy storm. It's really hard for the people to suffer all these natural phenomena. Number 7. Hand gliding. There is no any deficiency of adventurous people in the world. Well, adventure lovers always try to do something very hard which never ever had before. Guys, you may already seen many videos of hand gliding. Pilot jumps from highest place and take joy of air with the help of glider. Some tourist organizations have made easier for tourists to enjoy this airful ride with an expert person. But the unusual video which you are watching was recorded when this pilot forgot to hook this Indian tourist and he started to fly without hooking this person. Consider yourself as this tourist and imagine what would be happen if you were this innocent tourist. Honestly, it's very much terrifying to hang on at this height. Number 6. Lovely butterfly. Guys, do you ever experience to catch butterfly? If you don't, try it once. I hope it's not very much easy for any person to put a butterfly in his hand. But in this super unusual video, you can see these butterflies are playing with the camera of Robert Campbell. According to Robert Campbell, once he was recording a usual video in Poker Hill, Cambodia, suddenly group of these lovely butterflies came to start playing with his camera and he did record all this unusual scene. Well, this scene is really worth seeing. Number 5. Gym surprise. Guys, many of you may be a good bodybuilder and used to go to gym where muscular bodybuilders will really motivate you to do hard work and make your body even better. Well guys, this video is really shocking when a boy entered the gym and start to see the muscular man as he was a beginner. Later he took a dumbbell and show him what actually he is. His unusual action impacts the bodybuilder as he was an alien. And all this scene was recorded on camera. Actually guys, this boy has very much flexible body which is rare in billions. Number 4. Cycle race. Well guys, cycling is a good exercise. Some athletes and sport lovers make it more interesting through racing. In cycle race, athletes have to reach at starting line. As whistles start, they stretch on the pedal and start to run the cycle. But it's unfortunate of these athletes because the barrier was not removed quickly after whistle. And all these athletes messed their face to the floor. Well, no one of them was wounded anymore. But this scene is really very much funny. Number 3. Painters. Guys, painting is not very much tough on walls and interior places, but it seems quite difficult to paint a bridge. Well, if the bridge is 600 feet high, definitely no one will try to paint it. But these extraordinary peoples which you are looking in the video, they did paint George Washington Bridge and their video was recorded. These genius workers complete to paint George Washington Bridge in the period of 1.5 years. Well, it seems quite difficult to paint at the height of 600 feet. Number 2. Demolishing. Guys, to build a building, you need lots of money and human capital also. But can you imagine if your 36th floor building needs to demolish what you need now? Well, you need just 5 minutes. The building which you are looking was built in 1972. It was named as F Tower. Basically, it was the part of university campus and in February 2014, administration decided to shift campus at an other place and conclusively they decided to demolish this F Tower. And this demolishing scene was recorded on a camera. It just looked like a filmy scene, but actually it is real video of demolishing a 116-meter high building. Number 1. Chimpanzee versus robot. Guys, technology and gadgets are making human life easier, but actually there are lots of side effects of these gadgets also. Some people are totally against gadgets, but you will be amazed to see that some animals are also disliking robotics. Guys, administration of Dashtown Zoo decides to install drones in zoo through which they will record videos of animals more effectively. When drone comes near to chimpanzees, these chimpanzees push the drone with with a stick and drone was completely damaged. Then chimpanzee started looking and all this lovely scene was recorded in the camera of drone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest informative videos.